Even though Mercedes-Benz AMG replaced its GT Roadster last year with a redesigned 2022 SL, and the iconic nameplate is now part of the AMG fold, the coupe version of the GT sports car has stuck around and will soon be redesigned. With the latest spy shots, Colsa.ru was able to render a few photos predicting what the new sports car would look like. The redesigned GT will ride on a newly developed platform known as the MSA, Modular Sports Architecture, which made its debut in the redesigned SL. The spy footage suggests the GT and SL will have similar proportions, but unique lights and fascia designs to help separate the two. Like the SL, the GT should feature a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 and 9-speed automatic as standard. However, it's certain that variants of the GT will offer more power than the SL, which currently tops out at 577 horsepower. The GT should also come standard with rear-wheel drive and have all-wheel drive as an option. In the SL, all-wheel drive is standard, at least here in the US.